Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility. Make sure your Apple Watch model supports LTE and that your carrier offers a watch plan. Once done, keep your iPhone nearby and signed into the same Apple ID. That lets the watch pair and share your plan. Make sure both devices are charged to at least 50% and that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on the iPhone. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone to begin adding Cellular. This is the very first actionable step. You tap Cellular in the Watch app, then choose Set up Cellular. The app hands off to your carrier's activation flow. Follow prompts to select the watch line, confirm billing, and complete any identity or two-factor verification. This step links your watch ICSID to the carrier account. Make sure you read plan terms, then approve activation. While the carrier provisions the eSIM, keep both devices online and nearby. Once complete, you'll see cellular bars on the watch face. You finish by testing. Place a call or send a message with the iPhone out of range, or turn off the iPhone's Wi-Fi to force the watch onto LTE. If the watch lacks service, toggle airplane mode on then off, restart both devices, and recheck the watch app's cellular status. Make sure your carrier shows the watch line as active. If activation remains stuck after about 60 minutes, contact your carrier. Often they can provision the eSIM or resolve account issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.